now, I'd like to remind you from, I think it was exercise 17B or A even, we had the formula, the gradient equals tan alpha. And that was because if we had a straight line going like that, and we drew a triangle under it, a right angle triangle, and this is the angle of inclination of the triangle, so it's the angle at which the line's going up, and the adjacent side is run and the opposite side is rise, then tan alpha is rise over run, which is the same as the gradient. So then to find alpha, all we have to do is take the arctan. So for question A, alpha equals 45 degrees, so the gradient is arctan 45. So the gradient is, what's that, 1. And they've given us, every time you have 0, something, that's the y-intercept. Because if it's 0, 3, then x is 0. And what do we sub in every time we're trying to find the y-intercept? X is 0. So it's 3. So y equals 1x plus 3. Okay, question B. We've got alpha equals 60 degrees. So we've got the gradient equals arctan 60. If I remember correctly from my 60-degree triangle, well, if this is 30, 1, 2, this must be a root 3, and this is 60, so that'd be a root 3 over 1, which is root 3. So if you'd done arctan 60 on your calculator, that... Oh my gosh, I'm the stupidest person alive. We don't have to do arctan, it's just tan. We're not trying to find the angle, we're trying to find the gradient. So we're just doing tan 60. If you've done tan 60 on your calculator, yeah, 1.73, that's root 3. They've given us the gradient, it's -1, so y equals root 3, x take 1. Question B, C. 1. They're doing 30 degrees, so m equals tan 30. So looking at a 30-degree triangle, that's 1 on root 3. If we rationalise, that becomes root 3 on 3. B, they've already given us, it's -2, so y equals 1 on root 3 x take 2. Or you could have also had root 3 on 3x take 2, same thing. Question D. Now they've got 135. Now, if I've got 135, I just want to draw a straight line. Then that's over here, isn't it? So what's the angle under it? 180 take 135, which is 45. SATC, so tan 135 is negative tan 45, and we know tan 45, it's 1. Because 1 root 2, and this is 45 degrees. So it's 1 over 1. So this is -1 because it's negative tan 45. They've already given us B. It's 1, so y equals negative x plus 1, which is the same as 1 take x.